Hello, what is good? So I'm going to be talking about Tarteist Glossy Lip Paint, and the color is Snap. I like this box too. Like I said before, I love keeping makeup boxes. I really do. Like you can see, like it kind of like has like a little drip down, and then the thing is gold. I love keeping makeup boxes. I really do. But I'll get to the ingredients and all that stuff on the back. And I love this. But yeah. And then this is what it looks like. See, I still got a lot left over. I had this, I think, for about a year. I believe. For about a year. I mean, like I said before, I do not wear a lot of makeup. I really don't. So when I was out of town, I was killing it. But yeah, I love this color. Like, the lady that helped me, I forgot her name, but it was a color that I was kind of like looking for. So my favorite idol, and she had something similar to like this RIP Aaliyah. And we was trying to find something that would go good with my skin tone too. She recommended this, and I loved it. It literally like brought out my skin tone, and especially when you're wearing like eyeliner or mascara or something, it makes your eyes out. It's so weird. It pops your eyes out. Like it gives that touch, you know, that final touch to it. And then on my skin tone, it looks like this right here. Sorry if you see the mascara stuff on there. My feet. There you go, like that. So yeah, myself, I love neutral colors or dark color like lip stuff. Like I'm not really fond of light colors. Well, I think it's because I never tried light color lipsticks on me and stuff like that. Everything, what I mostly have when it comes to lip things are either like neutral or dark or something like that. But I love this. And the only thing is like, it's when, you know, you go to them restaurants and you got them cloths and you wipe on your lip and you leave all that stuff on your cloth. I just fold it on up so nobody can see it. Or, you know, when you, that straw, and then I'll be like, looking at it, I'll be like, ugh. I gotta turn the straw over. So, I was gonna say swole, combine two words, but I turned the straw. Yeah, I was combining straw and over. Okay, when you turn the straw over, you know, nobody see it. Like I don't want nobody, you know, touching straw and stuff like that, because I was like, oh. So, but yeah, and I only applied it once throughout the day. Like some days I wore like all day, but then there was days where I applied it later on at night. For me running my mouth, having some lips on me, and like whether I'm like eating or drinking and stuff like that, that's like the only time that I apply it on. But it stayed on for a good duration of the time on my lips. And let me go ahead, and what I really like is that it says this. I hope you can see this. Hold on. There we go. Boom! And I'm gonna let this stay for a while so you can actually like see. And I saw this post, I said, oh, quality too. I was like, oh yeah, this is some quality right here. And I love keeping makeup boxes, like I said before. Did it have a smell? I noticed it had like a little smell. Like it doesn't smell bad. Like it has like a, I don't know, like a fresh smell. There you go. You just apply it on your lips like that. And you just apply it. It just smells like lipstick stuff. You don't really have a smell to it like that. Like this kind of look like, I don't know, like a Light original milk chocolate maple. And I didn't notice that little snap at the end. Make sure it's secure so nothing will be dripping out. You know, like, can you imagine like this leaked in your purse or, man. But I love this. I really do. Now this I actually bought. The price was reasonable too. So, I mean, I love this. So, if you're looking for some good glossy lip paint, I recommend Tarte and Tarte. And what was really cool and what's really empowering is that when it's formulated without, and it's telling you like all this stuff, like what it does not have in it. So that means a lot. And cruelty free too, yeah, that means a lot too. So, and like I said before, this is what it looks like on my skin tone. Really nice, really cool. So yeah.